Bart. Come here. No.
Let's go find Kitty. Is there a kitty in the yard? A skunk is hiding around.
Hi, Jedi. Hi, Bart. Oh, Jedi. Your paws are really wet. Come on. Hey, buddy. Oats and beans. Oats and beans. You just gonna stick next to me there, Bart? Oh, Shanty. Hi, boys. Boys. Oh, yes. Charlie, they seem to really like you, big guy. They do. Calvin. Oh, you're so cute. Gracie May. What are they doing?
No, Otis.
Sophie, how come you haven't got off to bed? Oh, she got off to bed. There you are. Hi. Are you gonna play, Dixie? Are you gonna play with Finnegan? Sleeping Beauty's in the corner. Hi. Yes, you're beautiful too. Hi, Kodak. Archie, how are you doing? You just hanging out, Leo? Come on. Nobody wants to get their feet wet. Calvin!